This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Fred Helm. Very charming split-level home with an expansive floor plan including a bright open living room, bedrooms and bath on lower level, 3 additional bedrooms and bath on upper level. Updated kitchen that is conveniently located with granite countertops. Beautiful hardwood floors on the upper and lower levels. Attached garage and 2-car detached garage plus storage barn. Large fenced rear yard complemented with enclosed porch. Home has highly efficient geothermal system. Conveniently located to military bases, schools, expressway and retail outlets. Beyond a doubt, best buy for the dollar. Hurry, won't last. November 8, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Fred Helm at 757-481-8497.